Hello coders, welcome to the third video of Xcode app development by me, Lucius. So in this video, you're going to create your first Xcode application. We're just going to create a simple application like the Hello World app. I guess that's the first application everyone does. First program, I mean. So let's go over, open Xcode, quickly create a new project. It's a single view application and we'll name it Hello World app, and then we set our language to Swift. Click next, save it on my desktop. Yes, and congratulations, congratulations, you have just created your first application. This is your application. This is the inside of your first application. So let's go over quickly and go to the main.storyboard, and we gotta add in a button because we are gonna display, we are gonna change the label's text to hello world when we click a button, and that is all we need, a label and a button. Now let's not give them names, let's just make this simple. As we go ahead, we can give them names. I just click this button. This is a split view controller which shows the assistant editor, which is this thing. It just splits the screen into two. I call it a split view controller or a split screen view controller. I guess that's something else, but yes. So control drag your label and just call it label. And we control drag our button and select action because our button is going to be an action, and just call it button. Okay, so over here we go to label dot. Under dot there are many things like label dot font, but we're gonna go for label dot text because we want to change the text of the label, and set it as hello world. And that's as simple as it is. Run it on your iPhone XR or any simulator of your choice. Let's just wait for it to pop up. So waiting for my iPhone XR to start. This is it. In the meantime, I'll just quickly show you what we've done until now. Again, so we have a label dragged in and dropped. This is also connected to a button, which once clicked changes the text of this label. Quickly show you the main.storyboard. On our main.storyboard, we click this button to add any of our text, and there you go. We have our running application, and our button is going to be clicked, and that will change to hello world. This is as simple as it is. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe, support me, and you all will get many videos coming through next.